Ashley Sauce is the name, and I'm obviously station manager of Elders FM. I'm here at the stadium. We just finished the Run for the Greater Good, and the idea obviously was to symbolize that leaders will come together in Eldorado Park for the greater good. Elders FM is committed, as our slogan says, for the greater good. Is our vision to be catalysts for social change. And what we're going to do this year is literally just focus on spreading the word, on doing things for the greater good within and around our community. And the race was great. I mean, I was running, some leaders was running, pastors was running, organizational leaders was running. We had the counselor with us. We had 3 pastors with us here. The Apostle Gary Lamont from Jireh Ministries International. We had Pastor Ian Ponsonby from Immanuel Ministries. We had Pastor Brian Brothers. That's the representation from the church that we had. We had Councillor Rafferty running with us. We had Cheryl Pillay from Comeback Mission running for us, with us. We had a young man running with us, a young youth leader, and that was obviously something great. We had Mr. Lowe from the principal of the Eldorado Park Secondary School. And so, you know, leaders came out, and I really appreciate them for doing that, showing commitment to the greater good. I think we could have been a little bit more, and I think logistically we just have to do better next time to ensure everybody has an idea of what time it's going to happen, where it's going to happen. So it was our first time, and but people are talking about it and feels that it was something great and something awesome. So for the greater good, remember that. Elders FM for the greater good. I think it was a success, and I'm just looking forward to greater things coming for Eldorado Park.